Okay, so for the first company today, so we're going to start from roughly a July 2nd time frame here. July 2nd, we have a couple here from like the 4th. July 2nd. First company we're going to be talking about is PetMed Express. As you can see here, one of the things we saw interesting about it was the monthly 180 EMA. It was touching down at the support. It was roughly $19 at the time. This company has shown a continuous growth over a period of time. The RSI was showing oversold near the bottom, which is typically a buy signal. Sentiment was low. If you want to be getting in low, we like to see that. MACD oversold. Also, we like to see that. So we were able to pull this up in the Discord. Again, everyone has access to these tools in the Discord. This is the official stock bot. And everyone has permissions to use it in the Discord if you've ever liked to try and use it. Now, here in TradingView, probably close this for now, or we keep it up. This is what the chart looks like here in TradingView. As you can see, the RSI, just like it was in Discord, pointing to oversold. Again, we are looking at the monthly time frame. Make sure you're always taking into account the time frames we are using. Current price, $21.10, so it's up 7-8%, touching a high here of $23 in the past month or two. What are some other traits that we find interesting about a company such as PetMed here? Well, for example, if we look at the dividend, this company pays out a dividend of 5.69%. That's actually pretty massive in the grand scheme of things. The U.S. national average is roughly 3 to 4%. So when we see a company with like 5-6%, that's quite desirable for bulls. How often do they pay it out? Let's see here. 1 year, 2 year. Looks like it's paid out quarterly, right? Paid out quarterly. Let's look at the financials real quick. For the financials for this company in the year 2017, they had a profit margin of 13.62%. In 2018, they had a profit margin of 13.32%. 2019, they had a profit margin of 9.10%. 2020, they had a profit margin of 9.9%. And in 2021, they had a profit margin of 7.72%. So they are profitable, and we do like to see that. As you can see, represented by these lines, there's quite a clear uptrending price channel here. This company has been known to make runs as much as 400%. Over here we got 173%. Over here we have 1400%. Started really low there. But overall, I quite like this company. For example, I would be putting in buys at that $19.50 to $20 range, basically where this monthly 180 moving average, as you can see, is acting as a support. We can zoom in really closely. For the past 1, 2, 3, 4 months, so right here would be June, right here's July. So July 2nd would have been like right in this candle, this green candle, where it would have proceeded to run from here all the way up to here. 21%. From when we were mentioning it in Discord, again, July 2nd. And this is a long-term hold. This is a monthly candle. These things take long periods of time to unfold. You can't expect it to completely make it where we're going overnight. It won't take a day. It won't take a week. It could take a full year, but as long as you like the company, it could be a very prosperous year, netting at bare minimum 70% to 130% return on investment. Very solid. And don't forget about that 5.69% dividend. So you are, even in these few months here, you are claiming those dividends, making above average return on dividends. You could either be reinvesting those or just holding them in your account. So that is PetMed. I think that was pretty good. Let's go into the next company. We have a lot to cover. I'm happy to answer you guys' questions at any period of time. My name's Ethan. Make sure you check out my website, ethanwrenn.com. We just added some blog posts. Make sure to go check those out. Yeah, on to the next company.